Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up for this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a billboard in Parkitect, and as you can see I've got a Coca-Cola billboard just there. I'm going to go in and do another one. You can use any picture you like, so let's get straight into it and show you how to do this. So I've just laid the pieces down already just to make this easier for me, but first of all I have the Construction Anarchy mod installed, which will help you with this a lot. You can do it without though, so don't worry too much, but if you do have it, it makes it a lot easier. I've just laid down some cylinders from the shape set on the floor, and now I'm just adding in a pillar. The pillars are from the pillar, they're not mods. I've tried to use as less mods as possible with this one. I have maybe one, the catwalks mod for it, but that's about it. I've taken the border here, and I'm just going to make a nice horizontal beam across those two poles there to make it kind of look like a goal, or like a rugby goal or something like that. Now I'm adding a longer horizontal bar just on top. It doesn't really matter kind of what heights you use, you can do any kind of size or height you like, but I feel that what I'm doing looks proportionally kind of correct. Now I'm taking this billboard image that you will find in the game, and I've just made it a 1.5 size, and I'm just going to add that along the top on the 8 grid, so they're all lined up nice next to each other, and that fits perfectly across 3 tiles. So that's that, nice and lined up and ready. In a minute I'll put a picture on there and I'll show you how to do so. First of all, I'm just going to dress it up a little bit. So I'm going to add the square pillar just along the edges, just to hide that kind of blue border a bit around the edge. So I'm just going to do that on both sides and up to the top. And then I shall join the top up there with the border again. So I'm just taking the tool picker. I really love using the tool picker. It can really speed up your process of building, selecting pieces you've already used, so you don't have to go and search it. Sometimes, as you've seen, I like to lay things on the floor and I can just kind of select stuff from the floor using that tool picker tool. Really helpful. Now I'm taking a wall. I've just made this like a dark grey blackish colour, and I'm going to put it on the 9 grid and just kind of lay it across the back of the billboard. This will hide the back of it, because whatever picture you put on the front of the billboard will actually show through on the other side in reverse. So you want to hide that because it looks a bit strange. So I like to hide it using just a wall like this. Construction Anarchy allows me to put this wall onto the 9 grid, but you could use maybe a wall from Shy Guys 1 set if you want. If you have that installed, that would do the same thing. And now I've taken a lamp here, which is from the props, I believe, and I'm just going to lay that across the top of the billboard, so that at night time the lights will shine down onto the picture that I will put on there, and you'll be able to see it in the dark basically. So I think also it looks really cool. And the last thing is maybe optional if you want to do this or not. You could use other pieces within the game. There's actually like a tin roof thing that you could use in the game from the roof section that you could lay across to act as a catwalk, but I'm using the catwalks mod, and I'm just going to lay these catwalks just along the front of it, and this would be where if someone had to come and clean the billboard, they would stand up on this platform. So I've just kind of laid that across the front there, and now I'm just going to go in and add a handrail. And then once I've just put this handrail down, I shall go in and show you exactly how to put an image onto the billboard. So I'm in a website here called Pine Tools, and you'll go to images and go to split image. I'm going to select horizontal, and then the number of pieces is 4, and I've just put a picture in there which is KFC, and I'm downloading those 4 pieces. Now I'm just going to go in, drop the images into where they need to belong. So here you have to go to application support, Parkitect images, and then just slide in those images that you downloaded from that website into there. I will put the information in the description box down below, and also the Pine Tools website where you can do the image. So now once that's in there, head back over to Parkitect and click on the billboard, and the images will show up, and you just go in and select each billboard one at a time and add each piece in to complete the billboard. And as you can see, there's actually a blue border around the blue boards, which is a bit in the way and it's not ideal, but just to kind of hide it a little bit, I like to color those to match the billboard. So in this case, white kind of goes best. You can't really see it as much. So depending on the color of your billboard is the color that you make those. And there it is, complete. So I'm really happy with how that looks. Really easy to make, so you can make them as well. I'm just going to show you now at night time. But thanks for watching this little tutorial. I hope this helps, and I'll see you all next time for another episode. Bye.